we're seeing consistent fatigue performance at maximum load.
The data aligns with the stress models. We are cleared for production.
The integrity of the aerospace supply chain begins here.
Clear the deck. Proceed to the fatigue test bay. Watch your clearance on the final approach.
Temperature holding steady at 20 Celsius.
Confirmed. Track speed is nominal.
The scans confirm consistent internal homogeneity. This meets the stringent aerospace requirements.
The ultrasonic data confirms the absence of defects. We have green status.
I am logging the certification data now. Traceability ensured.
The spectrometer confirms the precise chemical composition, ensuring the crucial 6% aluminum and 4% vanadium content.
The slightly lighter titanium hinge is slowly extracted and placed in the cooling bay. A robotic array scans the surface.
Hydraulic clamps engage the titanium blank with tremendous force. A robotic arm then performs a final calibration check. Establish.
The microdrill bores critical pivot pin holes, aligned to within microns. A continuous flow of pressurized coolant.
The autonomous transfer system submerges the titanium hinge into the heated solvents and ultrasonic baths.
The hinge component is moved into a vacuum chamber and activated using plasma etching. A faint purple plasma glow surrounds it.
As the component rotates within the vacuum, the uniform buildup of the specialized dark bronze coating is visible, crucial for resisting wear and corrosion.
Process A requires a highly sensitive robotic torque wrench. The digital readout confirms the value is within the narrow tolerance band.
Check the load parameters against the specification. Looks good. Phase angle is calibrated. We are ready to initiate the cycle test.
Inventory confirmation successful for the A-18F Hinge batch. Process A is closed. Commencing Process B.
The actuator rod is lowered into the hard chromium plating tank, initiating the controlled electrochemical deposition.
The rod is carefully transferred into a specialized oven for a stress relief thermal cycle. This critical
An oil-based honing fluid is applied, reducing the surface roughness to the sub-nanometer level, vital for preventing seal wear in the Super Hornet.
The precision machine titanium end fittings are automatically secured onto the actuator rod. Process B.
Verify the digital tag now, specialist.
Read successful, ma'am. Process B is cleared for transfer.
We are preparing the A-18F Super Hornet actuator for fatigue testing installation.
Ground, this is 102, initiating flap cycle on process Bravo.
Roger that, 102. Movement is nominal.
Okay, verify the actuator housing and rod condition.
Panel clear. Rod looks perfect, Chief. No stress fractures.
Acknowledged. Phase complete.